Hi there, I'm Nina Goradia. Today I want to talk about how we often project the exact feeling that we are unable yet to self-regulate. And so what does self-regulation of our emotions involve? First, it involves being able to identify the feeling in our body. If it's something we've repressed, it might be far below our conscious awareness. And in that case, if I can't identify it, I can't really regulate it very well. I may have been supposedly regulating it through suppression or repression and managing it in this way or covering it with anger. But the thing is, I'm not actually regulating it. I'm not allowing the feeling to arise. I feel it through, I let it pass, I'm letting myself experience it without resistance, without grasping, aversion, identification. And I'm just holding space for it. So that's my ability to self-regulate. Now, if I have a great deal of shame that I've not learned yet how to regulate, that is the very emotion I'm going to project onto other people because it's sidestepped my conscious awareness. And I may keep doing this as I'm working on it, and then I might start to identify it in my body. And then I'm still projecting it, and I'm like, oh, I can't believe I projected it that time. But now I'm aware that I'm projecting it. And so I just keep on working on it, and I start catching it more. And okay, this time I caught it. I'm not going to say anything to that person. I'm just going to feel it. Oh, now I'm self-regulating. Now I'm going to respond in a way that's appropriate to the situation rather than throw a projection. So projection is kind of like, I'm feeling the shame. I don't realize I'm feeling it, or it's too much for me to feel. And I just make a shaming comment to somebody else. I want them to feel what I'm feeling because I don't want to feel it, right? And so I have this video I'll link here. It's that we're playing hot potato with our emotions, or with shame in this case, where I don't want to feel it. Here, I'm going to give it to you. But when we actually have the courage to feel it through and self-regulate, it's not that, oh, I'm the one that got burnt. Like I'm the one who had to end up feeling it and not throw it back. It's actually, I'm the one who now knows how to self-regulate shame. I know how to do that. I'm learning the skill. That's what you get from transmuting that emotion. You get to learn how to handle emotions so that in the future, when this happens to you, you just know how to ride the wave. And it's something where then you can respond as an adult, not through an old trauma or through some sort of, regressed sort of pattern. It allows you to mature, to be able to do this. That's what you're gaining from it: emotional maturity, healing old traumas, healing old wounds. So consider this as you're transmuting emotions, as you're welcoming the emotion, allowing yourself to regulate. And you'll notice that people can hurl insults at you, and you'll be able to just, own what you're feeling. And it's not going to be as bad if you keep on regulating and releasing traumas. It might just be like, oh, I hardly felt that one, and so then you respond accordingly. Let me know what you think. Let me know if this has happened to you, or if you've noticed that whatever you happen to be projecting is the very thing that you haven't really learned how to feel through and regulate yet. I'd love to hear about it. Please feel free to share below. I'll see you next time.